The police in Manipur's Imphal East district dismantled a major extortion operation with the arrest of 6 members of the banned Kangleipak Communist Party People's War Group on Tuesday, October 22nd. The arrests made in Porompat area included key operatives ranging in age from 20 to 53 years. Police identified the suspects as Oinam Abung Meitei, Lema Pokpam Hari Meitei, Yaikom Lukoi Singh, Oinam Bijen Meitei, Athopam Inaubi Devi, and Moirangthim Ichen Devi. During the operation, police seized nearly Rs 3.89 lakhs in cash, 3 vehicles including 1 car and 2 motorcycles, and multiple mobile phones. Officials also recovered identification documents and other personal items from the suspects. According to police sources, the group had been running an extensive extortion network targeting private businesses, government offices, and civilians in the region. The suspects were allegedly involved in illegal arms dealings as well.